A lot of you guys have been asking me to show you how you can make money online just by selling digital products. I've shown you guys before on a video how you can sell digital products online and be making money for yourself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own digital product and how you'll be selling them on Selar and be making money for yourself. You don't need to spend any money to do this. Everything I'm going to show you right now is free. All you need is just a single master prompt. And with this master prompt, you can be generating different type of digital products you wish to sell and how you are be selling it. In fact, how you are going to sell it, how you are going to create the digital product and everything. I'm going to show you everything in this video. And you don't need laptop to do this. You can do it with laptop. You can do it with your smartphone. With your smartphone, with your laptop, you can do it. So it is not necessary that you must have laptop before you start making money online. No, with your smartphone, you can do it. Without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. Let me show you how you can start selling digital products online and be making massive income for yourself every day. Let's get started. So the first thing you are going to do is to head over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store while you are downloading application on your phone. And you go and download this app. It is called Cloud, as you can see. Go and download this app. After you download it, you open it. And when you open it, it will ask you to register and you register account with them. So when you register account with them, all you need to do is to head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You are going to see a link that will take you to where you are going to get this prompt. You are going to see a link. So all you just need to do, you need this prompt you are seeing right here. You need this prompt to get started. So just copy this prompt like this. I'm going to leave a link in the comment section of this video so that you are going to get this prompt. So copy this prompt and you head over to the Claude AI. As you can see, just come down here and you paste it here. This prompt is the one that will generate the entire PDF product that you want to sell. All you need to do, just go to the beginning of the prompt. You are going to see where it says product idea. As you can see, product idea and title. So all you just need to do, just put your product idea here, the type of product you want to sell. So like right now, let me create a product. Like I just went to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to write me 5 different type of products that people are searching for right now. That I can sell, and ChatGPT write it for me. So I want to use this second one. As you can see, this is the title here. I'll just copy it like this. I'll just copy it. After I copy it, I'll come back here. So you can use any product you want, product idea you have. So I just put it here. You can use how to make money online, any product you want to sell, like skincare, any product you want to talk about is product. You just put it here. Now it will ask you to put your target audience. Who do you want to sell this product to? You know, every product have its own target audience. Like you can see, it say e.g. example, entrepreneur, freelancer, small business. So any person you want to sell your product to, so you can ask ChatGPT to help you classify that, and ChatGPT is going to do it for you. So for my products now, let me check the people. These are the people that need this product. So I'll come down here and I'll click on paste. Now after I click on paste, as you can see, I've put the buyer, everything, I'll put it there. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on this generate here. This arrow here, I'll just click on it. And when you click on it, it will bring this notification. You cancel it. Now, just give it some minutes, and this AI tool is going to create the full PDF for you that you just post on Selar, and you start selling it and you start making money. Let's give it some minutes and it's going to convert it. As you can see, it's converting it right now. So let's give it some minutes. So now, as you can see, it has generated, as you can see, premium PDF ebook. So if you tap on it like this, it's going to download. As you can see, download to your phone. And this is how you are going to see your ebook. I don't want to open it right now because if I open it, I know some people will copy my work. So that is it. You can just, when you just click on it, it will download to your phone. So the next thing you are going to do, just tell the AI to write you the title and also the description you are going to use to sell this ebook on Selar. So as you can see, this is the title. It writes me 3 different titles and this is the description. Now after I write the description, I also come down in there. I say, now write me the prompt, cover prompt. So this is the cover prompt. You write the cover prompt. As you can see, everything, the AI is going to write it. So you just copy it like this. And when you copy it, just copy this prompt that you are going to use to generate your image. to generate your image you are going to use to post your product. Just copy it, and after you copy it, the next thing, go back to ChatGPT. Now open new tab. Like on ChatGPT, I paste that prompt here. That is the prompt I paste here right now. As you can see, a premium digital product cover design. So this is the ebook I just want to sell right now. It's on my bio. Now this is the book template. So the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to Selar. So just head over to Selar. If you have not registered account with Selar before, you are going to see a video that is going to pop up here, or you check the description of this video. I've made a video how you can register account with Selar. I've made that video before, so just go down to that video, watch the video, so that you are going to see how you are going to register and set up your account. After you set up of your account, you click on this three dots up here, and you come down to product. As you can see, add new product here. You tap on add new product. Now when you click on add new product, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Then you click on digital product and you click on next. Now when you click on next, it's going to open. Then the next thing, you are going to see image. As you can see, the place is say image. Just tap on this plus, you click on upload up here, and you click on files. You click on it. Now the image ChatGPT generated for you, this is the image. You upload the image, and after you upload the image, as you can see, I'm uploading the image right now. You are going to select the image, that is the first one here, and you click on select file below here. Now it's going to bring you to an interface like this, that you should put your name of the product. So just go back to Claude AI. Remember, the AIs have write everything for us. So we just come back to the Claude AI. You are going to see where it says, as you can see, product name here. As you can see, you just copy it like this. The title, you can copy any of these three, the one that you feel you like. You just copy it, and you come down here and you paste it here. Now after you paste it here, the next thing you are going to do is to put your price. How much do you want to sell this product to people? Remember, so you can put 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, depend on the money you want to sell. So for this product, I'm selling it 3,000 because I would want it to be cheap for people to afford. Now it said description. This is where you're going to put your description. Now just go back to Claude AI again. As you can see, description here, you copy from this like this. You copy everything like this, copy it down. Just keep copying it, copy to this place. You copy. After you copy, you come down here and you paste everything here. Now we have pasted it. The next thing we are going to do is to come down category. You click on this category. So our product, this product is an AI prompt. So I'll put it software and tech. Then I'll click on subtitle, then AI. As you can see, AI and automation. This is what I want to use, but you can use any one that suits your product. Then you come down here, you come down and you click on upload. So as you can see, click to select file from your this thing. You can just click on it. Now you click on upload. So this is where you're uploading that PDF, that product you generate. You click on files. So we are uploading it right now. So this is the product. As you can see, is the first one, premium PDF ebooks. Then you click on it and it's going to upload. Now as you can see, it's uploading. Then you tap on it. This is the first one that will just upload right now. As you can see, premium. You click on select. Now after you click on select, the next thing you are going to do is to click on create product. As you can see, you just click on this create product, and when you click on create product, your product is going to be created, and you are going to see your product on Selar. Yes, you're going to see your product on Selar and people can buy it. Let me show you example. Now after you click on create product, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you can see, it will tell you congratulations, your product has been updated. You can view it. So you can just copy this link. This link is what you just need. Just copy it. After you copy this link here, you can share it with people and people will see your product. For example, if I copy this link right now, let me copy this link again. I copy it and I go to my browser. Let me go to my Google Chrome and I paste the prompt here, the link here, sorry. And I click on enter. Let me click on enter. This is the link here. I'll click on enter. Now, as you can see, this is the product right now. So as you can see, 3,000 naira. Anybody that click on buy will buy the product, and immediately the person buy the product is going to be downloaded. As you can see, the person can just click on checkout, and when you click on checkout, you can buy the product, and when you buy the product, you are going to receive the money on your seller account, and the person pay, and it will download the PDF to his phone, and the person is going to see it. So this is the same thing you are going to do, and you'll be making money online selling digital product. So you can start doing advertisement, promoting your product, like people running Facebook ads, promoting their product, telling people about their product. People should come and buy, and when they click it, they buy, they earn money from it. So this is how you are going to do it. So most important thing you need to start everything is this master prompt that I show you at the beginning. This master prompt is what you need. So if you don't have this master prompt, you cannot be able to create the PDF, just like the way I created a moment ago. You cannot be able to create it, because I can show you different PDF I've generated. As you can see, this is the one we just posted right now. Let me show you another one again. As you can see, this is the one I created yesterday. I just want to view it so that you guys are going to see it. Let me view it. This is how your product is going to look like. It's still downloading. Now it has downloaded. As you can see, this is how the product is going to look like. As you can see, this product, people buy this product, and they, because it's a prompt, or anything you want to sell, anything, how to make money online, affiliate marketing, all those things, just put it together and people are buying it, or templates, all these things. So if you want me to also teach you how you can run promotion or to this your product, you let me know, and I'm going to make video about that and show you. So don't forget to go to the description of this video or the comment section of this video to get your link, to get your master prompt that you are going to use to be generating your product. So see you guys on my next video.